This time, in this video, we are looking at dishonesty. So first of all, we will look at its lack of statutory definition. As in the Theft Act 1968, D must appropriate property belonging to another with the intention permanently to deprive, and that appropriation must be dishonest. Nevertheless, the Theft Act does not actually define what dishonesty is, and there is no statutory interpretation in other acts. Instead, Section 2 of the Theft Act provides 3 situations when D is not dishonest. So the first situation arises when B believes that they have a legal right to the property that they have appropriated. The second situation arises where D believes that the owner would have consented to the appropriation. And the final situation applies where D appropriates property believing that the owner is undiscoverable. However, this lack of statutory interpretation means that dishonesty is mainly defined by the common law. So following initial uncertainty, the Court of Appeal were able to settle the definition of dishonesty in R and Ghosh in 1982, and this was applied consistently for 35 years. So in the Ghosh test, the jury had to decide whether, according to the standard of reasonable and honest people, what was done was dishonest, and if it was dishonest by those standards, the jury had to decide whether the defendant himself realised that what he was doing was by those standards dishonest. However, the Ghosh test has been revised by the ruling by the Supreme Court in Ivey and Genting Casinos Ltd in 2017. So one of the main reasons why it was felt that Ghosh needed reform was because it could allow those with a warped sense of dishonesty to avoid liability. So in Ivey and Genting Casinos Ltd 2017, D, who was a professional gambler, sued for winnings of 7.7 million, yet the casino refused on the basis that he had been cheating. Now this was a technique of edge sorting. So the Supreme Court dismissed D's appeal and confirmed that D's conduct would constitute cheating. So replacing the Ghosh test, juries should be directed to answer what the actual state of D's knowledge or belief as to the facts were, and in the context of this, was their conduct dishonest by the standards of ordinary decent people, which was an objective test instead of a subjective test. So the Supreme Court also found obiter that the civil and criminal definitions of dishonesty should be interpreted in the same way. So thank you for watching this video and see you soon. Bye.